Ever made a choice that felt fine at the time, but ended up costing you more than you expected? That's what happens when your future self feels like a stranger, when the connection between who you are now and who you're becoming starts to fade. That disconnection you feel, it's real, and it has a name. Psychologists call it future self continuity. It's about how real your future feels and whether you can picture yourself in it. When you can picture that version of yourself, see them, feel what they want, and understand what matters to them, your choices today start to align with your long-term goals. This isn't about forcing discipline, it's about strengthening a real relationship with your future self, one that makes long-term choices easier because they already feel like your own. If this gave you new clarity on what it takes to reach your goals, like the video, subscribe and turn on notifications, and drop a comment to share what future you're working toward. Ready to strengthen that connection even more? Join the waitlist for upcoming workshops and courses designed to help you act with clarity, build momentum, and become who you're meant to be.